Hi, I'm Vidya. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. Class 12 students Vedant and Sanjana's OSM complaints spark national debate. After both students alleged that the scan answer sheets did not match their handwriting, CBSE examined the cases, located the correct answer books and initiated result updates, raising questions over the on-screen marking system and transparency in assessment. CBSE answer sheet row revives debate over 75% eligibility rule for IIT, NIT and IIIT admissions. As questions over evaluation reliability gain attention, students and counselors are renewing discussions on whether admission eligibility criteria should balance merit with assessment fairness. You cannot become global while leaving local. NCERT Director backs native languages and R1, R2, R3 selection under NEP 2020. Saying that India must strengthen learning through native languages while remaining open to foreign languages, the NCERT Director called the policy a step towards cognitive growth, cultural roots and the vision of Viksit Bharat. Education Minister writes to states to ensure safe and smooth conduct of NEET UG 2026 re-examination amid heatwave. Calling student well-being a priority, the minister urged states to arrange drinking water, cooling facilities, transport, electricity and other essential amenities for candidates appearing on 21st June. 56 Indian students selected to visit Japan under Sakura Science Program 2026 to promote global learning. The Ministry of Education flagged off students from government schools across 15 states and union territories for a week-long science and cultural exchange, supporting scientific exposure and international academic engagement under NEP 2020. Puducherry CM urges Centre to recognize French as regional language in CBSE schools under R3 framework. Seeking to preserve Puducherry's historic and cultural ties with French, the CM requested a flexible mechanism under the three-language policy to allow students to continue learning French. Google and UNICEF to support AI training for Assam teachers to transform classroom learning. Under the AI Educator series, teachers will be trained to use AI tools, digital technologies and modern teaching practices to create more interactive and effective classrooms across Assam. Retired Bangalore teacher loses 24 crore rupees in digital arrest scam, 6 accused arrested across states. Police said the victim was allegedly kept under fear for months through fake investigation claims, while timely action by a bank manager helped prevent further losses and uncover the cyber fraud network. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.